So what I'm going to do now is rotate the engine. I've removed the crankshaft locking pin, and I'm going to rotate the engine by hand, one full turn, to just check for any untoward clanking sounds. That's the only sort of scientific term I have for that. Just to make sure that, because once this goes in, that's really, I can just start it. So far, it seems to be turning as one would expect. It's making sucking sounds, which I suppose is a good thing. So this is actually the head we rebuilt, and the other side is the head which we got from the salvage yard. So it's already gone more than one rotation. I'm just gonna I wonder if that's supposed to happen. I don't. So this thing is further in than that guy over there. Yes, so otherwise it seems fine. Just wonder if this plunger is supposed to be further inside. So that certainly is.